Welcome back. Apnaghar was established with the motive to protect, motivate and educate those young boys and girls who were either rescued from evil hands or committed crime in certain circumstances. But recent cases of violence and escape of inmates have nullified the motive. Levinson Martin's committee had submitted a report to the government in the April 2012 and had made certain suggestions, but nothing has changed since then. On 25th April, most of the boy inmates turned violent and damaged the office of Apnaghar. That's not all. When policemen tried to stop them, they pelted stones on them and injured 2 constables and also damaged their official bike. Very next day on 26th April, 3 boys and 3 girl inmates escaped from Apnaghar. That hasn't happened for the first time. In 2014 itself, inmates have resorted to violent scenes almost 5 times. And in 3 cases of escape, 13 inmates have succeeded to escape. These incidents raise a serious question that why these young inmates take extreme steps. The reasoning from the inmates that officials are not making any efforts to release them. There are different sections to keep rescued minor victims and inmates held in custody for commissioning of crimes, but they freely meet and mix up inside. A former employee of Apnaghar, Alan Mascarenhas, pointed out that there is no arrangement to keep inmates busy, hence inmates gets frustrated.
You are supposed to have different activities to keep the boys busy. It's not just giving food and shelter and clothing for the boys. What are the boys going to do the whole day? Is the other boys having TV in the institution? You all can inquire with the management. Are there any vocational training courses going on?
Levinson Martin's committee had submitted a report to the government in the year 2012 and had recommended that junior scale officer from Goa Civil Service should be appointed as officer in charge. House father and house mother should be appointed. Inmates should be segregated based on age, behavior, mental status and nature of offence. Existing main gate should be replaced with 6-meter high security gate with locking system. Inmates should be involved in recreation, games and outdoor activities. Counselling services should be provided to all inmates. Arrangements should be made for formal education. Vocational and skill training should be organised. But no suggestion could be materialised so far. Social activist advocate Satish Sonak says that government should allow social activists to interact with these inmates.
To the government of Goa, that government of Goa should invite volunteers, a citizens watch, voluntary citizens who are willing to act as citizen guardians of these children in Apnaghar. Like I will say yes, I will regularly, if they allow, the government allows me, I'll be more than happy to visit regularly the Apnaghar, and I'll say every time I'll talk to one particular child X.
Sources say that soon after the violence on 25th April, senior officers of North Goa Police have made some recommendations to the government regarding Apnaghar. But government has to take final call. With Bureau Inputs, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Champions Bengaluru Football Club rounded off their historic debut season with a 2-1 victory over Sporting Club de Goa on Monday. On a busy final day of the 2013-14 season, last year's champions Churchill Brothers shocked Salgaonkar Football Club by 2-1 and survived relegation to 2nd Division. Over in Kolkata, East Bengal defeated United Sports Club by 3-0 and finished runners-up in the I-League.
Top boy McCartman, look at this goal. I would make it at least 30 yards. It goes with the speed of a Stinger missile. Angled perfectly like a laser rocket being fired. Tata Football Academy, of course, I think every team in the I-League has a Tata Football Academy product. They've done yeoman service to Indian football. It's a lovely interception. But still a chance here for Robin Singh to get the equalizer, and he does. The Sporting Club de Goa players are appealing for offside, but the fans are jubilant. They don't care how the goal has come. They've got the goal that matters. Bengaluru. Have a look at the goal again. Lovely measured cross by Keegan Pereira, and what a header by Baikokai.
And not just a header, it was a very low header. Robin Singh, man of the match today, getting his check from Mr. Ashu Jindal. talking about the roller coaster season. Any more thoughts? These guys can't stop singing your name.
I think this is the best of fans that we have in our country, man. They are amazing. I think this win was them. We already were champion. When we had the meeting, we knew we got to do it for them. They are amazing, man. They are amazing. I think they're the best fans ever, man. You can see them, man. This is extraordinary. Thank you!
Bengaluru have lifted the trophy in front of the fans from Goa after beating all the 4 Goa teams.
One of the greatest seasons of the Airtel I-League has come to an end.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
Tumi Purita Prudent. You're watching Prudent.